Hello, everyone, and welcome to how to get information set up for your multi-factor authentication. The following steps will show you how to get your application, your phone numbers all set before we turn on multi-factor authentication for everybody. We're going to do this in order of steps, but to get a jump start, you can follow these steps ahead of time before we start enforcing two-factor for everybody's account. So please take a look and let's get started. Okay, welcome to how to enable multi-factor authentication on your Office 365 account here at Maine Maritime Academy. Let's get started. You can do this using a computer or a smartphone. The screens may look a little different depending on which device you go through the process. For this video, I'm going to be using a laptop using Google Chrome. Okay, so the first step is fire up a web browser of your choice and go to the following website, aka.ms/mysecurityinfo. You will be prompted to sign in. Please put in your full MMA email address. Make sure to put in @mma.edu. Click next. You'll be taken to this lovely page here. Enter in your password that you use to check email and access Canvas or any other MMA service. At this point, we need to gather some information. The first step is it's going to ask for a phone number. This phone number can be in the form of a cell number or a landline or office number, anywhere where as a backup it can reach you to prove that it's you going through this process. Let's hit next. Here's your security verification page. You want to keep this as authentication phone for now. And to select your country or region, come here and hit United States +1. That's going to help Microsoft know what area code to start with. If you do have an international number, make sure you pick the right region. Here, I'm going to use an office number for this demonstration. And then the next option is how you receive this next step here. If you have a cell phone number and you have good reception, you can receive a text. For myself, I'm going to use Call Me, and what will happen is I will get a call from our friends at Microsoft just asking to say if it is us or not doing this process. So I'll hit next. And what you cannot hear is my phone ringing. Maybe you can. I'm going to answer it.
Sign-in verification system.
And it's going to ask me to hit pound to prove that it's me.
Your sign-in was successful.
And it says it was successful.
Bye.
At this time, you would receive a text and we'll ask you for a code. You just enter in that code. Give it a moment. And you are done. I'll ask you to stay signed in for this. I'm going to just say yes. Great. Now you are at your 2FA security information page. As you can see, we have our phone number here, and that's going to be used for two-step authentication. This will only affect your Office 365 account, not email quite just yet or any other service, but as time goes on, we will distribute it amongst the services where appropriate. Okay, so for that next added bonus of extra security, we're going to walk through how to add an authentication app to your account. This is an app that can be installed on any smart device, specifically cell phones. It is a free app. There's many to choose from, but we're going to walk through the Microsoft Authenticator app. We find you'll have a much better experience using this app on your device to register with 2FA. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to either the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store and look for Microsoft Authenticator app and get that installed on your phone. That's a prerequisite for this next step. But once you do that, you're going to come into here and click Add Method. You're going to select Authenticator app, hit Add. Okay, this is going to walk you through getting the steps. You can download it now, or yeah, I recommend just going right to the right using your phone and just look for it in the App Store. If you have another app you'd like to use, such as Forwarded Token or Google Authenticator, you can click on I want to use a different authenticator app, but for now we're going to just start with the default. Next. Hit next again. And you're going to have a QR code. At this point, you're going to want to take your phone, launch the Authenticator app. You're going to want to add an account. You can do a work or school account. I'll ask you to scan the QR code. You can't see me doing this, but I'm holding my phone up to the QR code. And then you'll see it in your list. You want to hit next. And at this time, you'll be prompted to enter in a code from the Authenticator app. On your phone, you just hit approve, and there you go. That adds the Authenticator app. ka.ms, my security info. See where it says default sign-in method? I'm going to click change. Authenticator app. I'm just going to do a notification so I don't have to enter a code. Just my phone needs to be online. Hit confirm. So it's saying it was updated. So I'm going to sign out. Sign in again. Thank you. Use the same account. So now on my Authenticator app on my phone, I'm getting a pop-up asking, hey, someone's trying to sign in. Is it okay? And I am going to say approve. Give it a moment. There you go. Simple as that. Yes. Now you have two-factor authentication. Thank you very much.